Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Do you find yourself daydreaming about a life where you have more control over your time and energy? The daily commute, the rigid schedule, the lack of flexibility, these are all things that can wear you down over time. Imagine a world where you can break free from these constraints and design a workday that suits your lifestyle and personal needs. Do you dream of being your own boss? Picture yourself in a cozy home office, sipping your favorite coffee, and working on projects that truly excite you. No more answering to a boss who doesn't understand your vision, or dealing with office politics that drain your energy. Instead, you can focus on what you love and what you're passionate about. Imagine setting your own hours and working from the comfort of your home. You can start your day, early or late, take breaks whenever you need them, and even work in your pajamas if you want to. The flexibility to create a schedule that works for you can lead to increased productivity and a better work-life balance. In 2025, launching your own home-based business is easier than ever. With advancements in technology and a growing market for remote work, the opportunities are endless. You can reach clients and customers from all over the world, right from your home office. The tools and resources available today make it possible to turn your ideas into reality with minimal upfront investment. This is your chance to turn your passion into profit. Whether you have a hobby that you love or a skill that you've honed over the years, there's a market out there for you. From handmade crafts to digital services, the possibilities are endless. You can create a business that not only brings you financial success, but also personal fulfillment. Whether it's baking, writing, or graphic design, your skills are in demand. The internet has made it easier than ever to showcase your talents and connect with people who need your services. You can build a portfolio, market your skills, and attract clients who appreciate your unique abilities. The demand for personalized, high-quality work is growing, and you have the chance to be a part of this exciting trend. We'll guide you every step of the way. From setting up your home office to marketing your business, we provide the resources and support you need to succeed. Our expert advice and comprehensive guides will help you navigate the challenges and make the most of the opportunities that come your way. You're not alone on this journey. We're here to help you achieve your goals. Get ready to unlock your potential and achieve financial freedom. The dream of working from home is within your reach, and with the right mindset and tools, you can make it a reality. Embrace the freedom, flexibility, and fulfillment that come with being your own boss. It's time to take control of your future and create a life that you love. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. Starting a business from home offers incredible flexibility and control. You're in charge of your schedule and work environment. No more long commutes or office distractions. Think about what you love to do and what you're good at. Do you enjoy crafting, teaching, or helping others? Maybe you have a knack for marketing or social media. Turning your skills into a service or product is the first step. Get excited. Before you launch, let's ensure you have the essentials. First, a reliable internet connection is crucial for online operations. Next, a dedicated workspace helps you stay organized and focused. A well-thought-out business plan will be your roadmap to success. Don't forget about legal requirements like business registration and permits. Having these in place ensures a smooth start for your venture. Let's break down the process into manageable steps. Start by choosing a catchy business name that reflects your brand identity. Next, define your target audience. Who will benefit most from your products or services? Creating a website or online store is your virtual storefront. Platforms like Shopify make it easy, even without coding experience. Finally, spread the word. Utilize social media, email marketing, and networking to reach potential customers. Section 5. Tools to power up your business. In today's fast-paced digital world, leveraging the right tools can make a significant difference in the efficiency and success of your home-based business. Whether you're a freelancer, an entrepreneur, or running a small business from your home office, having the right technology at your fingertips is crucial. Technology is your best friend in the home-based business world. It can streamline your operations, enhance your productivity, and help you stay connected with your clients and team members. From communication tools to design software, the right technology can transform your home office into a powerhouse of efficiency. Canva helps you create stunning graphics for social media and marketing materials. This user-friendly design tool offers a wide range of templates and customization options, making it easy for anyone to produce professional quality visuals. Whether you're designing a logo, a social media post, or a marketing flyer, Canva has got you covered. Zoom is perfect for hosting online meetings and webinars. With its robust features, you can conduct virtual meetings, share screens, and collaborate with your team in real time. It's an essential tool for maintaining communication and ensuring that everyone is on the same page, no matter where they are located. For e-commerce, Shopify provides an all-in-one platform to manage your online store, inventory, and payments. It simplifies the process of setting up and running an online business, offering a range of customizable templates and integrations with various payment gateways. With Shopify, you can focus on growing your business while it takes care of the technical details. Don't underestimate the power of email marketing. It's one of the most effective ways to reach your audience and keep them engaged with your brand. Regular newsletters, promotional emails, and personalized messages can help you build strong relationships with your customers and drive sales. Tools like MailChimp help you stay connected with your customers and promote your offerings. With its easy-to-use interface and powerful automation features, MailChimp allows you to create targeted email campaigns, track their performance, and optimize your marketing strategy. By leveraging these tools, you can ensure that your home-based business thrives in the competitive digital landscape. Section 6. Pro tips for home-based success. Working from home requires discipline and focus. Set clear boundaries between work and personal life to avoid burnout. Create a dedicated workspace to boost productivity and minimize distractions. Time management is key. Use tools like calendars and task lists to stay organized and meet deadlines. Remember, building a successful business takes time and effort. Stay persistent, embrace learning, and celebrate each milestone. Section 7. Overcoming challenges, finding solutions. Every entrepreneur faces challenges. Feeling isolated is common when working solo. Join online communities and network with fellow entrepreneurs for support and inspiration. Marketing your business effectively can also be challenging. Experiment with different platforms and strategies to find what works best for your target audience. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Mentors and business coaches can provide valuable guidance along the way. Section 8. Your home-based adventure starts now. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge and tools to launch your dream home-based business. This is a monumental step, and you should be incredibly proud of how far you've come. The journey ahead is filled with endless possibilities and opportunities. Imagine the freedom of working from the comfort of your own home, setting your own hours, and being your own boss. The skills and insights you've gained will serve as the foundation for your success. So, take a moment to celebrate this achievement and get ready to embark on an exciting new chapter in your life. Embrace the excitement, take the leap, and watch your vision come to life. The path of entrepreneurship is not always easy, but it is incredibly rewarding. Every challenge you face is an opportunity to learn and grow. Remember, the most successful entrepreneurs are those who are willing to take risks and step out of their comfort zones. Your passion and dedication will be the driving forces behind your success. So don't be afraid to dream big and pursue your goals with unwavering determination. Remember, you are capable, resourceful, and deserving of success. You have everything you need to turn your vision into reality. Trust in your abilities and stay focused on your goals. Surround yourself with positive influences and seek out mentors who can provide guidance and support. The road to success is paved with hard work and perseverance, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Keep pushing forward, and never lose sight of why you started this journey in the first place. Start small, stay focused, and never stop learning. Every great business started with a single idea and grew from there. Break down your goals into manageable steps and tackle them one at a time. Stay committed to continuous learning and improvement. The business landscape is always evolving, and staying informed will give you a competitive edge. Invest in your personal and professional development, and don't be afraid to pivot when necessary. Flexibility and adaptability are key traits of successful entrepreneurs. The journey of entrepreneurship is filled with rewards and personal growth. Each milestone you reach is a testament to your hard work and determination. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and learn from your setbacks. Every experience, whether positive or negative, contributes to your growth as an entrepreneur. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process of building something meaningful. The skills you develop and the lessons you learn will stay with you for a lifetime. Believe in yourself, take action, and create a business and life you love, right from the comfort of your home. Your home-based business has the potential to bring you both financial success and personal fulfillment. By aligning your work with your passions and values, you can create a business that not only supports your lifestyle but also makes a positive impact on the world. Stay true to your vision and let your passion guide you. The possibilities are endless when you believe in yourself and take consistent action towards your goals. Your future success story starts today. The decisions you make and the actions you take from this moment forward will shape your future. Stay motivated, stay inspired, and keep moving forward. The journey of entrepreneurship is a marathon, not a sprint. Pace yourself, stay focused, and enjoy the ride. Your hard work and dedication will pay off, and you'll look back on this moment as the beginning of something truly extraordinary. So take a deep breath, step into your home office, and start building the future you've always dreamed of.